Hey guys, I'm Elliott. This is Everything Elliott. This is an Eastonmade 2228 with attached conveyor. Today, it's going to be leaving the shop and we're gonna get it out in the wood yard. And if we have time, maybe we'll throw a piece of firewood through it and see what happens. Okay, let's go on the tractor. So I'm kind of running into tight spaces here, and realistically, I want to have the splitter right about here, and I want to have it over here as far as I can because I still want to be able to get the tractor in here. So what I'm going to do, I'll move these pallets, and I'm going to come from back here, grab it, and straighten it out. I think that's going to be the move. Uh-oh. That didn't work. I'm coming from all the way down here because I don't want to drive over my lawn and leave ruts in my lawn, so down there at the end I can get in without ruining the lawn. And I don't really care about this portion. I actually cleared this last year with a mini excavator, and it's not finish graded or anything. Right about there is where I want it. So for right now, I'm going to leave the tongue on it, but eventually I'm going to take the tongue off. And the reason I'm leaving it on right now is because I don't know if this is going to be the final position. It's going to take me, I don't know, 1 or 2 splitting sessions before I decide if this is the final resting spot. But for right now, we'll just get it leveled out and we'll extend the conveyor up. Oh, we forgot one important thing. Hold, please. these didn't get wider. I know why. I gotta lift the conveyor up. Alright. Let's get the chain. Alright, now we should be ready to go up. Yeah, that's enough of that, Michelle. I don't know if you just heard the baby rev the ATV. I think we're set. Let's get a couple pieces, split some wood. All right, so there's a bunch of scrap on here. This is a perfect opportunity to test the Grizzly bars. Send all this scrap up. See what happens. So the Eastonmade is all set up, and I'm super happy with the way the Grizzly bars turned out. It seems like they worked pretty well. Seems like it caught everything, so that's great. I'm happy with that. Now it's just time to split some wood. I know the wood we just put in here is probably more suited for the 4-way, but the box wedge is in there, and that's what I wanted to use. I guess the next thing is going to be to buck up some of this log pile, and we'll get to work. Actually, I have 2 totes full of rounds that are already cut, so I'll probably get those done first. Yeah. Subscribe, like, stay tuned. We're going to be splitting some wood.